Imagine walking into a forest. The air is fresh, filled with the scent of earth and leaves. You take a deep breath and feel a sense of calm wash over you. Sunlight filters through a majestic canopy of leaves, casting a warm golden glow that dances with the breeze. This interplay of light and shadow creates a dappled pattern on the forest floor, a natural mosaic that changes with the movement of the sun. This, my friends, is the magic of the canopy layer, the crown jewels of a thriving food forest. It is a world above, teeming with life and energy. In our gardens, we can replicate this natural wonder, creating a haven for biodiversity and a bounty of delicious food. Imagine a garden where every layer works in harmony, from the tallest trees to the smallest plants. The canopy layer is the uppermost layer of a food forest composed of mature trees that reach for the sky. These trees are the giants of the plant world, their branches forming a protective umbrella over the layers below. These gentle giants play a crucial role in maintaining the health and vitality of the entire ecosystem. They provide shade, reduce wind speed, and help to regulate the temperature, creating a stable environment for all the plants and animals that live beneath them. They are the guardians of the forest, protecting the soil from erosion, creating a microclimate that nurtures life, and providing a haven for countless creatures. Birds, insects, and mammals all find shelter and food in the canopy. A well-established canopy layer is essential for a thriving food forest. It is the foundation upon which the entire ecosystem is built, supporting a diverse range of plants and animals. By understanding its importance and selecting the right trees for your space, you can create a garden that is not only productive but also a sanctuary for nature. Choose trees that are well suited to your climate and soil, and consider their mature size and growth habits. Remember, we garden not just for ourselves but for the generations to come. A well-planned canopy layer can provide benefits for decades, even centuries, creating a legacy of abundance and beauty. So, let us delve into the world of canopy trees and discover how these magnificent beings can transform our gardens into vibrant, life-sustaining ecosystems. Together, we can create spaces that are not only beautiful but also resilient and full of life. Canopy trees are the unsung heroes of the forest, quietly working behind the scenes to support a web of life below. These towering giants form the uppermost layer of the forest, creating a protective umbrella that shelters the ecosystem beneath. Their role extends far beyond simply providing shade on a sunny day. They act as nature's air conditioners, regulating temperature and humidity levels, which is crucial for the survival of many species. These arboreal wonders are essential for soil health, microclimate regulation, and biodiversity support. By moderating the microclimate, they create a stable environment that allows a diverse range of plants and animals to thrive. One of their primary functions is to provide shade, creating a cool and humid environment beneath their leafy boughs. This shaded microhabitat is a sanctuary for many understory plants and animals. This is crucial for the health of understory plants, many of which thrive in the dappled light and moist conditions created by the canopy. The filtered sunlight allows delicate plants to grow without being scorched by direct sunlight. Think of ferns unfurling their delicate fronds, slowly stretching out to capture the gentle light that filters through the canopy. Or hostas displaying their majestic leaves, thriving in the cool, shaded environment provided by the canopy. Furthermore, canopy trees play a vital role in building healthy soil. Their fallen leaves create a natural mulch, enriching the soil with organic matter and providing a habitat for decomposers like fungi and insects. Their fallen leaves create a natural mulch, enriching the soil with organic matter. This organic layer not only nourishes the soil but also helps retain moisture, which is essential for plant growth. Their deep roots prevent erosion, holding the precious topsoil in place. This is particularly important in hilly or mountainous regions where soil erosion can be a significant problem. And they form symbiotic relationships with mycorrhizal fungi, enhancing nutrient uptake for themselves and surrounding plants. These underground networks are vital for nutrient cycling and soil health. Finally, canopy trees are biodiversity champions. They provide nesting sites for birds, shelter for insects, and food for countless creatures. Their branches and leaves create a complex habitat that supports a wide range of species. They provide nesting sites for birds, shelter for insects, and food for countless creatures. birds build their nests high in the branches, safe from ground predators, while insects find refuge in the bark and leaves, and food for countless creatures. Squirrels, for example, rely on the nuts and fruits produced by these trees, while other animals feast on the leaves and bark. From the smallest beetle to the largest owl, a diverse array of wildlife relies on these majestic trees for their survival. The canopy is a bustling hub of activity, teeming with life at all hours of the day and night. Selecting the right canopy trees for your food forest is akin to choosing the foundation stones of your garden's future. These trees will not only define the structure and aesthetics of your garden, but also play a crucial role in its ecological balance. It's a decision that requires careful consideration of your local climate, soil type, available space, and personal preferences. Each of these factors can significantly influence the health and productivity of your chosen trees. For temperate climates, consider the stately oak, a symbol of strength and longevity. Oaks are known for their deep root systems, which help stabilize the soil and prevent erosion. Its acorns provide food for wildlife, its wood is prized for its durability, and its presence commands respect. The oak tree also supports a diverse range of insects and fungi, contributing to a rich ecosystem. Other excellent choices include the nitrogen-fixing alder, which enriches the soil by converting atmospheric nitrogen into a form that plants can use. The disease-resistant chestnut is another great option, known for its delicious nuts and robust growth, and the fruit-bearing apple or pear. These trees not only provide a bountiful harvest, but also add beauty to your garden with their spring blossoms. In tropical regions, the mango tree reigns supreme, its luscious fruit a taste of paradise. Mango trees are also known for their large, shady canopies, which provide relief from the tropical sun. Avocado trees, with their creamy, nutrient-rich fruits, are another excellent choice. These trees are relatively easy to grow and can produce a generous yield with proper care. For shade and beauty, consider the majestic banyan tree, its aerial roots creating an otherworldly atmosphere. The banyan tree is also known for its longevity and ability to create a microhabitat for various species. Remember to research each tree's specific requirements for sunlight, water, and soil type. Understanding these needs will help you provide the best care for your trees, ensuring they thrive in your garden. Consider its mature size, growth rate, and potential impact on surrounding plants. Some trees can grow quite large and may overshadow smaller plants, so plan your garden layout accordingly. Choose wisely, and your canopy trees will reward you for generations to come. They will not only provide food and shelter, but also create a serene and beautiful environment for you and your family to enjoy. Beneath the protective embrace of the canopy layer lies a world of wonder and abundance, the subcanopy. This layer, composed of smaller trees, shrubs and vines, adds another dimension of diversity and productivity to your food forest. In temperate climates, consider the versatile hazel. Its nuts a delicious and nutritious treat for all. Elderberries, with their antioxidant-rich berries, are another excellent choice for your garden. For shade tolerance and beauty, plant ferns, hostas or hellebores, their foliage, adding texture and interest to the forest floor. In tropical regions, coffee bushes thrive in the dappled shade, their beans a source of morning cheer. Cacao trees, the source of chocolate, are another shade-loving option for tropical gardens. For vibrant color and sweet fragrance, plant passion fruit vines, their exotic flowers, a delight to behold. When selecting subcanopy plants, consider their mature size, light requirements, and compatibility with the canopy trees above. Aim for a diverse mix of species that will provide food, medicine, beauty, and habitat for wildlife.